Good morning friends, my name is Disha Hital Ashwamekh Vidyalaya Killa Papadi. Subject Sanskrit Standard 8. Chapter number 4. Ehi Sudhirah. Ehi Sudhirah. Ehi. Come on Sudhir. Sudhir. Come on Sudhir. Ehi Sudhirah. Ehi Shuvikram. Ehi. Come on Sudhirah. Sudhir. Come on Sudhir. Ehi. Come on Suvikram. Come on Sudhir. Come on Suvikram. Khelanna ganam gacham. Khelanna ganam means on the playground. Gacham. Let us. Khelanna ganam means on the playground. Gacham. Let us. Khelanna ganam gacham. Let us go to the playground. Dhavan kurdanam chalaneha khele. Dhavan. Dhavan means strong. Kudan. Dhavan kudan chalane khele means with the games of running. तो क्या होगा? Let us achieve a strong body. Let us achieve a strong body. Vajrakayatam vindam. Vajrakayatam. Vajra by games, running, jumping and walking. Let us achieve a strong body. And the Vajra by games of running, jumping and walking. Ehi Susile, Ehi Mrunalini. Come on Susila, come on Mrunalini. Puspavatikam Gacham. Puspavatikam, in the garden. Gacham, let us. Puspavatikam Gacham. Let us go to the garden. Vivideha Kusum Vidyaya Malaya. Vividhe. Vividhe means Vividhe Kusume, with various types of flowers. Kusum Vidya. Kusum Vidya means Kusum with various. Kusum Vidya means flowers. Mala. क्या बोलते हैं? By making a garland of various types of flowers. Vigna Vinasam Archam. Vigna Visam, to the destroy of Sri Ganesham. Vigna Vinasam means कौन है? श्री भगवान गणेश. तो let us pray to the destroyers of hurdles, Sri Ganesh. Ehi Dinesha Pranava Ganesha. Come on Dinesh, Pranav, Ganesh. Gnannidhim Sanjim Yunam. Gnannidhi. Gnannidhi means treasure of knowledge. Sanchi Yunam. So let us collect. Gnannidhi. Let us obedient the treasure of knowledge. Ehi Sarde Girije Varde. Come on Sarde Girija Varde. Gnanvarito Viharam. Gnanvarito, knowledgeable. Viharam, expressed in the verse. Let us about in the sea of knowledge. तन्वा मनसा हितं चरन्तः सदा गुरून् अनुगच्छाम. भारत मातुः सेवा सत्कारः देशहितार्थे जीवम. तन्वा मनसा हितं चरन्तः. Tanva means with the body. Mansa, with the mind. we doing good for people with the body and mind. Sada Gurun Anugacham. Let us follow the teachers. Bharat Matuः Seva Satkarah. Mother India should be served. Mother India should be felicitated. And Deshitam Jivam. Let us live well-being of the country. Glossary. Khelanna Ganam. Playground. Gacham. Let us go. Kurdanam. Jump. Vajrakayatam. Very strong body. Pushpavatikam. Garden. Let us prepare. Gnannidhi. Treasure of knowledge. Sanchiyonam. Get. Gnanvarito. Treasure of knowledge. Archam. Worship. Girije. Parvati Devi. Viharam. Wonder. Charantah. Put in executions. विशेषः कुसुम विदाय कुसुमेह विदाय विघ्न विनाशकं चर्माः विघ्न विनाशम अर्चामः. Exercise. Pronounce the following words orally. Shuvikram, Khelannaganam, Vajrakayatam, Brunalini, Kusum Vidhaya, Sanchiyonam, Gnanvarito, Anugacham. Complete the stanza. Students, so you write down the notebook in stanza. Find action verbs from the poem and write as on in the example. Gacham. First, Vindam. Archam. Viharam. Anugacham. Jivam. Answer the following questions. Vajrakayatam katham vindam. Vajrakayatam. Tadhavan kudam chalate खेले वज्रकायतम विंदा. कुसुमेह क अर्चम कुसुमेह विघ्न विनाशायम अर्चम. कस्य हितार्थे जीवाम. वयम देशस्य हितार्थे जीवाम. सदा कान अनुगच्छम. वयम सदा गुरुजनान् अनुगच्छामः. Follow the illustrations. Gach gacham. Naya nayam. Anugach anugacham. Piba pibam. Vindam. So students, chapter number 4, common Sudhir. So students, I write the translation and question answer and send you a PDF. Please you will write the Sanskrit notebook translation and question answer and read the question answer. First of all, write down the glossary and then translation and question answer. I sent a PDF and you will write and read the notebook. Okay, thank you.